yakni benta jong khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri kakot kakia jong ke Jylliew Meghalaya uba hek hena kesngi ke arp sautrik Jylliew ulap tip baga Jylliew Meghalaya ke don satang lai Tylli ke aktif ke sa ke Jylliew. Ka Meghalaya Haduh bapenmi yakni ka khubor ke don Tylli ki positive case hakaba saupu almut ki lakot no bot uwei ulak no. Uba hek ulap tip ru baki nong muna balapha banlet tes Haduh kan kesngi ki long khat nyo hajar saus pa nripu Tylli hakaba khat nriu hajar nice pa life nyo Tylli ki long negative but saus pa prap Tylli ki muna kidang up yang result. Uba hek ulap tip ru bah Haduh kani kesngi kidang khapra hajar arpongut ki ba wan phai na bar Jylliew.
This is the update for the COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya. The active cases till today, the 24th of June, we left only with three active cases. 42 recovered, and the 46 total the positive cases in our states. So those we are already sent the samples for testing are 17,468. 17,468. Those who have tested negative till today, 16,937. 16,937. Then the number of test results awaited is 485. 485. The entrants coming from outside the states, the total number of entrants, the returnees are 18,020. 18,020.